Hello everyone, welcome to this session of Programming with Python. In this session, we will understand about what are Python data types. So let's look at our objectives. We will first start by understanding the meaning of data types. Then we will explore the types of data type available in Python. And in the end, we will explore two data types, namely numeric and Boolean. So what are data types? Data type is basically the type or the kind of the value that makes up any data, or it is basically the classification or categorization of the data item. So what does we mean by this definition? Let's understand this by an example. Here we have been given a database of the student. The database clearly consists of the name, class, age, grade, and if the student passed the exam or not. So as you can clearly see that the same database is made up of three different kinds of value. It consists of the name, which is a text in nature. The class, age and grades are numeric in nature because they are made up of numbers, and if the student passed or not, it is a Boolean value because it is true or false in nature. So as you can see that the same database is made up of three different kinds of data types, namely numerical value, text value and the Boolean value. So what are different type of data types in Python? There are basically two kinds of data type in Python, namely built-in data types and user-defined data types. So what are built-in data types in Python? Built-in data types are the type which comes inherently with the Python itself and the user don't have to describe it upfront. For example, in our example of the student database, the text values, numerical values and the Boolean values come inherently with the Python and we don't have to describe them upfront. While user-defined data types are normally used in the object-oriented programming and they are basically derived from the built-in data types. We will explore them more in detail when we will cover our object-oriented programming. Now here is a very nice representation of Python data types in detail. And as you can clearly see that the numeric data types are further divided into integer, float and complex values. Similarly, the sequential data types are defined further into list, tuple and string. We will explore all of these data types in their respective session. Now what are numeric data types? Numeric data types are basically numbers, and integer, floating and complex numbers are collectively known as numeric data types. We have to understand and remember a fact that in programming, whether it is any language, it is C, C++, Python or Java, etc., the decimal values are known as the floating values and are represented by the float class. Similarly, integer and complex values are represented by the int and complex class respectively. Now what are Boolean values? Boolean values or Boolean data type is a data type which is made up of only two values, either true or false, and they are basically help us to evaluate any condition or expression. So what does we learn in this session? We learned that there are basically two different kinds of data type in Python, namely built-in data type and user-defined data type. Now numerical data type is made up of three different values, namely integer, float and complex numbers. Boolean data types are only true or false. Sequential data type are made up of string, list and tuples, and user-defined data type are derived from the built-in data type. Hopefully you enjoyed this session and we will meet again in the next session. Thank you.